How to play old school RuneScape on Chromebook New 2025. Most people get this wrong, but playing old school RuneScape on a Chromebook in 2025 is surprisingly easy. You won't believe how smooth it can run without complex installations. First, open the Chrome browser and go to the official old school RuneScape website. Click play now and select the HTML or web version, which runs directly in your browser. No downloads are required. Next, log in with your RuneScape account. If you don't have one, create an account for free. The game will automatically adjust graphics to your Chromebook's performance, ensuring smooth gameplay. For keyboard and mouse controls, use the default settings. WASD moves your character, while left click performs actions. Chromebook touchpads also work, but a USB or Bluetooth mouse is recommended for precise control. If you prefer a desktop experience, you can also install the Android RuneScape app from the Google Play Store. This allows full screen play and slightly improved performance. Make sure your Chromebook supports the Play Store and has enough storage. Finally, optimize your Chromebook by closing other tabs and apps to reduce lag. Use full screen mode for better immersion and adjust in-game settings like graphics and FOTS according to your hardware. In conclusion, playing old school RuneScape on a Chromebook in 2025 involves using the browser HTML version or the Android app. With proper controls and settings, you can enjoy classic RuneScape gameplay anytime, anywhere without complicated setups.